Assalamu alaikum and welcome all. I hope that you will be happy and enjoying a healthy life. In our city, this is the best time of the year when we can enjoy gardening at its max. So, people like me who are already obsessed with plants will face a big challenge in this season, and that is lack of space in the garden area because we can't stop buying new plants and seeds. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you that how I have increased the capacity of my garden area by spending almost nothing. If you know anyone around you who is facing the same problem, please do share this video with them. It might help them also. As you can see, I still have these seedlings which have to be planted. So let's start then. First thing is pot arrangement. I have arranged my pots in layers, and to do so I have kept smaller pots on the edge between two big pots. And then the same thing I have done with the other lane also. And third lane is a single pot lane. So by doing so, I have got 5 lanes instead of 3 lanes of pots, and this enables me to keep more plants in this area with maximum sunlight. But this can only be done if you have different sizes of pots, otherwise it won't work well. And here I am using these round pots which are designed in such a way that their stand holds the edge of these 20-liter pots and they get fixed nicely here. These are easily available at affordable prices and it can be used to grow the seasonal flowers or herbs. In this way, we can get an extra layer of plants. Now besides this layering of pots on the floor, I have created some vertical space for the seasonal floral plants here, only by reusing these water bottles. Then as a second vertical layer, I have fixed an old wooden plank here with the help of some hooks and a thick rope which can bear the weight of these pots. So these bottles arrangement and wooden plank provide me some extra vertical space for my plants. Here I am using an old wooden ladder piece as a swing to add some vertical space for these black round pots. Here again I have placed 2 swings especially to keep seedlings in direct sunlight. These can only carry lightweight pots. I have used S hooks to hang them with our parking shed. You can even use hanging baskets like this to increase the capacity of your garden. You can add many for flowers and herbs. In fact, I have used old chipboard. After painting, I have covered it with self-adhesive plastic to protect it from water. This type of arrangement will not only increase the capacity, but it adds beauty also to your garden. Even these seedlings are enjoying winter sunlight and are growing better and healthier. This is another way to add vertical space. You can grow any type of herbs in this size of bottle. And I am growing mint here. I have just fixed a wooden stick in the wall and then use these thin wires to hang the bottles. These are iron wires. And that's all. So it was again a zero budget project. This is another way if you don't want to spend much on buying new pots like me. Then you can go for plastic grow bags. These are affordable, lightweight, and can be kept anywhere in the garden. Basically, I'm using them to increase the depth of these old plastic pots. As I told you that I am running short of pots and don't want to spend on them anymore. So here I am using these fruit crates which are just free. And these are strong with good depth. So I am planning to plant few more tomatoes here. I have kept them on my compost pit. I don't want to move them because they are too heavy. I hope tomatoes will do well in this. And that's all for today. I hope that this video would help you to enjoy more plants even if you have less space. See you next time with a new video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.